I discovered the fastest way to grow on YouTube without showing your face. Now is the time for this method to literally explode. Think of it like real magic. Some channels have gone from earning $100,000 to $250,000 per month just by uploading content on this platform. We all know that YouTube doesn't usually pay short video creators much, but even with this low ad rate, some channels are easily earning $30,000 to $75,000 per month. Don't believe it? Wait, because it gets even better. In this video, I share a secret trick that can increase your earnings from short videos by 10x. Yes, you heard me right, 10x. And the best part? It's surprisingly simple, yet incredibly effective. I personally implemented this strategy on one of my other channels, and I'll show you the results in future videos. All I can say is that it really works. I won't just tell you this secret trick, but I'll also guide you step by step from 0 to 100 on how to create viral short videos, from script writing to editing. Even if you have no experience in editing or think you're not creative enough, don't worry. The process is so simple that you'll be producing engaging viral content in no time. Now let's get started. Now that we're ready, let's move on to the next step, getting inspiration and creating viral content. Review all the videos on a channel that have gone viral and take screenshots of them. This will help you identify the most popular or engaging ideas and topics for that channel. Now that you have the topics and structure of the channel's content, log into ChatGPT. Give ChatGPT a professional prompt. For example, please create 10 ideas or prompts for short videos similar to this channel that are relevant and viral. Now that you have your ideas and prompts ready from ChatGPT, it's time to create professional and eye-catching images for your videos. In this step, we'll use Leonardo AI. This tool will help you generate high-quality and unique images for your content. In Leonardo AI, adjust the image size exactly according to the YouTube Shorts dimensions, 9:16. This will make your images appear perfectly and without any problems in the videos. Copy the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared for you one by one and enter them in the relevant section in Leonardo AI. Make sure that the descriptions in the prompts are clear and precise. Now click on the Generate option. Leonardo AI will generate the images you want. Each time an image is generated, download and save it. Repeat this for all the prompts to have a complete set of images. Next step. Use Runway AI to create engaging videos from images. Now that you have downloaded all the images from Leonardo AI, the next step is to use Runway AI to create the video. With this tool, you can convert your images into videos and quickly prepare them. In this step, you will prepare your videos by combining the images and the appropriate details. Go to the Runway AI website and create an account or log in. The tool is very user-friendly and allows you to easily use it to create videos. Upload the images downloaded from Leonardo AI to Runway AI one by one. To do this, simply click on the Upload option and select your images to upload to the platform. If you have any specific descriptions or changes that you want to add to the images in the prompts, this is the time to add them. For example, if you want to make a change to the lighting or color of the image, you can enter the relevant descriptions. If you don't need to add anything to the image, you can skip this step and don't add any text. After uploading all your images and making any desired changes, Runway AI will quickly convert your images into a video. This process is usually very fast and you can get a high-quality video in no time. Once the video is ready, click the download button to download your video. Now you have a professional-looking video with unique images that is ready to upload to YouTube. Use the Smooth Transitions feature to smoothly move between images and different parts of the video to make your video look more attractive and professional. Add music to your video using Pixabay. Now that you have your video ready, it's time to add some music to make it more interesting. To do this, we'll use Pixabay, a free and professional platform for accessing royalty-free music, images, and videos. In the search bar, enter keywords related to the topic and mood of your video. For example, if your video is about nature, you can search for phrases like nature, forest, birds, or calm music. When the search results appear, listen to the available music and choose one that matches the topic of your video. The right music should match the mood of your images and video. When you find the music you like, click the download button. After downloading the music, you can add it to your video. The final editing of a video is the most important step in turning it into a professional and attractive work. With CapCut software, you can take your video to a level that will captivate viewers with its simple but powerful features. In this section, I will introduce you to the editing process step by step so that you can create a stunning video. Open CapCut software and click on the New Project option. Select all the videos you have prepared in the previous steps and add them to the project. Once the files are entered into the project, you can view them in the timeline and start editing. Arrange the videos in the timeline in a logical and attractive order. If the order of the videos is not suitable, just grab each clip and drag it to the desired position. For example, if the story of your video requires a specific order, be sure to arrange the clips accordingly. This step helps the viewer experience a sense of coherence and story flow. Sometimes videos you download from different sites have extra logos or text. To remove them, use the crop tool. Click on each clip and use the zoom feature to remove the extra parts and logos from the image. This is simple and has a great impact on making your video look more professional. One of the most important parts of editing is adding animation and visual effects that make the video more attractive. Add animations. In, out, and mid-roll animations. For each clip, you can choose a variety of animations that determine how the clip enters or exits. This makes the transitions between clips smoother and more pleasing to the eye. Go to the Effects section and browse the available effects. Choose lighting, color, or dynamic transitions. Make sure the effects you choose match the overall feel of the video. For example, if your video has a natural feel, use softer effects. But if the subject of the video is emotional, use bolder and more exciting effects. Music is one of the main factors that helps make a video interesting. Now that you have downloaded your suitable music from Pixabay, add the music file to the project. In the timeline, drag the song to the bottom to add it to the clips. Delete parts of the song that do not match the video. Use emotional parts of the music. Match the parts of the song that have more energy with key and exciting clips. Make sure the music is not too loud that it drowns out the sound of the video. You can use the fade in and fade out features to gradually start and end the music. Play the video from start to finish once and make sure everything is in sync. Fix any minor glitches or inconsistencies at this stage. Finally, click on Export and save the final video in the best possible quality. Okay guys, thanks for being with me so far. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your comments with me. Now let's watch the video we made together. See you next time.